How to pair a Vodafone Wi-Fi booster. To pair your Vodafone Wi-Fi booster, start by making sure it's in the right mode, either access point or repeater mode. If you're using a super Wi-Fi booster with a Vodafone Broadband Pro plan, it may automatically connect to your Gigabox modem through the cloud, so in that case you won't need to do much. Next, on your phone, tablet, or laptop, turn on Wi-Fi and look for the booster's network name. Select it, then enter the password that came with your booster. Once accepted, your device should show that it's connected. For super Wi-Fi boosters, you can also use the Vodafone Broadband app. Open it, and you will see an option for pairing a booster. If it doesn't show up, you can pair manually or contact Vodafone support. Now, if you run into issues, check if your booster is powered on and placed within range of your router. Watch the lights too. A flashing blue light often means it's waiting for you to press the WPS button on your router, while flashing red means the connection failed and you'll need to try again. With the right setup, your Vodafone booster should extend coverage and give you smooth Wi-Fi